Today we are baking for the first time with my brother Willard. Let's get started. Oh, sorry, pepperoni. The date.
There, and then you start rolling.
And I'll put this in. Okay. Well, not yet. A little bit up. Little bell. Well, it's time to graduate. It's time to graduate. These. Oh wait, where are these? This she said. On this. You want me to make the eyes? Mine.
Oh yeah, I'll put it back.
Deal.
Yes, I will.
I'm over here, please. Two. One each, please. Two. Over here with the white one. Okay, okay.